How's it going, everyone? I'm gonna show you what plumbers did here for supplying gas and water to the ADU. This is my water connection right here. He's gonna put a valve on this side. Then I got the gas connection gonna come over here. You see they ran strut along the wall. Clamp to the strut. Come around here. So he transitions down here to PVC coated, and then sleeve the copper pipe. You can see that right there. It's threaded. It's PVC coated. This was factory connected to another one here. You got the tracer wire on it as well. That's what they did there. You actually have to come through here. It's basically in line with the vent. So, and then they ran that all the way through underneath the floor. I'll record that later.